Welcome, dear learners. My name is Suraj Mashilkar, Assistant Professor, AISSMS College of Hotel Management. Today, we are going to go through the session of Other Spirits. Before we begin to the session, let's have a look at the objectives of the session. The objectives of the session are to enlist various other spirits and to understand those spirits that are served. Let's begin with the session. Let's first list the other spirits available. First is aquavit, next is schnapps, third is silvowitz, fourth is arak, fifth is absinthe, sixth is grappa, seventh is calvados, eighth is mark, ninth is pisco, 10th is oklahoma, 11th is corn, 12th is Feni, and the last is Ozo. Let's begin with the first other spirit. First is aquavit. Aquavit is a distilled spirit that is principally produced in Scandinavia. It is distilled from grains and potatoes and is flavored with a variety of herbs. It is also popular in Germany. That's the aquavit. Let's have a look at the next spirit. Next is schnapps. Schnapps or snaps is a type of alcoholic beverage that may take several forms, including distilled fruit brandies, herbal liqueurs, infusions, and flavored liqueurs made by adding fruit syrups, spices, or artificial flavoring to neutral grain spirits. The best example of schnapps is peach schnapps, used in making various alcohol-based cocktails. Let's have a look at the next spirit. Next spirit is silvowitz, a type of plum brandy made chiefly in the former Yugoslavia and in Romania. Silvowitz is a plum-based brandy. This is the right example of silvowitz. The next spirit is arak. Arak is a distilled alcoholic drink typically produced in Indian subcontinents and Southeast Asia, made from the fermented sap of coconut flowers or sugarcane, and also with grain or fruit depending on the country of origin. That's the arak. The very famous brand of arak is Very Special Old Arak.
Absinthe is historically described as a highly alcoholic spirit. It is an anise-flavored spirit derived from plants including the flowers and leaves of wormwood, together with green anise, sweet fennel, and other medicinal and culinary herbs. Absinthe traditionally has a natural green color, but may also be colorless. That's an absinthe. Has a unique way of service, like what is shown in the image, with a glass and a perforated spoon on top of which there is a sugar cube, and the absinthe is served from the bottle. Next spirit is grappa. Grappa is an alcoholic beverage, a fragrant grape-based pommes brandy of Italian origin that contains 35 to 60% alcohol by volume. Grappa is traditionally produced in northern Italy and is also widely consumed in places such as Argentina, Bulgaria, Georgia, Uruguay, and Galicia. That's a grappa. Next alcoholic spirit is Calvados. Calvados is an alcoholic drink made from distilling cider in Normandy, one of the oldest provinces of France. It got its name from the place called Calvados, which is famous for making it. Calvados is also termed as an apple brandy. The next is Mark. Mark is also known as a pommes spirit or a pommes brandy, which is a liqueur distilled from pommes, that is the leftover from winemaking after the grapes are pressed. It is called Mark in English and French, but in Italian it is called as Grappa. That's one of the brand of Mark. The next spirit is Pisco. Pisco is a colorless or yellowish to amber colored brandy produced in winemaking region of Peru and Chile, made by distilling fermented grape juice into a high proof spirit. That's one of the brand of Pisco. The next is Ocalejao. Ocalejao is a Hawaiian alcoholic spirit whose main ingredient was the root of the tea plant. The Ocalejao has a unique flavor of earthy, vegetal hint of bananas or pineapple, or indeterminate tropical flavors. Next is Korn. Korn is a German grain spirit that is traditionally distilled from fermented mash of wheat, rye, buckwheat, barley, or oats. This strong colorless drink is never sweetened or flavored. That's Korn. The next is Feni. Feni is an alcoholic spirit produced in Goa, a region of India. The two most popular types of Fenis are cashew Feni and toddy palm Feni, depending on the original ingredient. However, many other varieties are sold. That's a Feni. The last spirit is Ouzo. Ouzo is a dry anise flavored aperitif that is widely consumed in Greece and Cyprus. It is made from rectified spirit that have undergone a process of distillation and flavoring. Its taste is similar to other anise liquor like pastis and sambuca. That's an Ouzo. Thank you. Please like and subscribe the channel. Also attempt the small quiz related to the topic through the link provided in the description of the YouTube video. References, data credits, food and beverage service, Dennis Lillicrap, R. Singhar Velavan. References, photo credits. Thank you so much.